Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Re-Education of Terry. Today, I want to talk about something personal. I'm seriously considering trying a GLP-1 medication for weight loss. Not because it's trendy, not because it's a shortcut, but because I've been thinking about my health long term, and I want to be honest about the journey. So today, I want to share why I'm considering it, what I've learned, and what I'm still unsure about. This is not medical advice. This is what I've learned. Okay, let's be real. Losing weight isn't just about willpower. I've tried diet changes, exercise routines, starting Monday more times than I can count. And while I've had some progress, maintaining it long term has been the hard part. What I realize is, for me, cravings feel stronger than just willpower. So I started looking into the GLP-1 medications to understand what they actually do. Everyone's talking about GLP-1 drugs, Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, and Zebound. Today, we're breaking down what GLP-1 medications really are, how they work, how much they cost, who they're for, and what people aren't talking about. Let's get into it. Your body naturally makes a hormone that helps control blood sugar, slows digestion, reduces appetite, and signals your brain that you're full. GLP-1 medications copy that hormone. So now the difference is, instead of lasting just a few minutes like the natural version, these medications are modified to last days or even a week. That's why most are once weekly injections. So let's get into it. GLP-1 stands for glycogen like peptide 1. That sounds complicated, but here's the simple version. Your body naturally makes a hormone that helps control blood sugar, slows digestion, reduces appetite. It signals your brain that you're full. You feel full faster, stay full longer, think about food less, and keeps your blood sugar steady. It's not a fat burner. Initially, GLP-1 drugs were created for type 2 diabetes, but doctors noticed two big things. Their blood sugar improved and most lost weight. That led to newer versions being approved specifically for weight management. And here's how they're generally used. For type 2 diabetes, there's Ozempic, Mounjaro, and Trulicity. For weight loss and obesity, there's Wegovy and Zebound. For diabetes plus weight loss together, it's Mounjaro and Ozempic. There's an oral version called Robelius. That's another option. It's a pill you take daily. Personally, that's not an option for me. I'm going to try to simplify the science behind this. Your body has enzymes. Think of them like scissors that cut up the hormones quickly. One of these enzymes is called DPP4. Natural GLP-1 gets cut up by the DPP4 in minutes. But these medications are modified so those scissors can't cut them easily, so they stay active longer. Over time, your body slowly breaks them down through something called proteolytic cleavage, which just means protein cutting enzymes gradually break the medication into smaller pieces that your body clears safely. It's not a fat burner, it doesn't melt weight. It mainly helps control appetite and hunger signals. And that's the part that made me curious. GLP-1 medications copy that hormone. Basically, they help control hunger signals in a way that diet alone sometimes doesn't. And that part really stood out for me because for me, the hardest part is knowing what to eat. It's managing hunger and cravings constantly. So here's the big issue: cost. Without insurance, these medications can cost around $900 to $1,400 a month. With insurance or saving programs, some people pay less. Prices are continuously dropping, so I'm looking forward to them dropping to my range. So before I do anything, I need to discuss options further with my doctor, check my insurance to see if they will pay anything. I know that Medicare will not pay for it if it's just for weight loss, unless I think possibly if you have diabetes. I need to make sure it's safe and appropriate for me. Now, the possible benefits is losing weight in a more steady way, less constant hunger or signal, quote, noise to eat, better health long term. My concerns are side effects like nausea, staying on it long term, gaining the weight back if I decide to stop. Personally, I don't see this as a shortcut. I see this as a tool. Just like someone might use medication for blood pressure or cholesterol, I'm sharing this because I think a lot of people are quietly thinking about it. I know there's a lot of judgment around weight loss medication, but if obesity is a real medical condition, and it is, then getting medical help shouldn't feel shameful. This is not medical advice. This is just my observation or opinion. I'm not promoting it. I'm not telling anyone to try it. I'm just being honest about where I am. Right now, I'm still searching, still thinking, still deciding. And if I move forward, I'll share the journey. And if you've thought about this too, you're not alone. Thanks for listening. And as always, subscribe, like, share. Check the notification box for new content. And as always, you have a great day. Bye.